Hello boys and girls. Right, just a quick update really. I haven't been doing a lot of content lately because of my eye situation, but it's nearly coming to an end, so I'll be soon getting back onto the Beetle, weather permitting, because I'm working outside. So we've got Herman the German there, project ongoing, and as well as Herman the German, we've got, oh hello, we got so as well as Herman the German, we've got Brutus there, who's going to be needing an MOT in the next couple of months, so I have to prepare that. On top of that, I've been doing a little bit of work inside my camper van, so it's all been going on. Just not able to post or get too involved in anything too well, like grinding and lying around under vehicles at the moment due to the eye condition, but normal service will be resumed as soon as possible, and we'll crack on with the, it's all covered up, we'll crack on with the Beetle renovation. I'm looking forward to getting this out and using it. So yeah, you know, keep watching this space, and if you could give me some likes and things like that, that would be appreciated. Cool. Actual sun's come out, because I'm trying to get the viewership up. I enjoy looking at other people's videos and things. I always give them a bit of a nod, you know, and a comment here and there, so helps them along. So hopefully I'll get some in return. Ciao.